Breaking travel news. Travel Talk with Phil Blizzard, talking to industry experts and decision makers.
The Arabian Hotel Investment Conference 2016, an eye on the future, and to find out more about what is happening in terms of market trends, we have an independent hospitality consultant, Rupprecht.
Yes. Nice to be here. Very exciting, actually.
Yeah, what do you think of the show so far? The conference, the event?
It's always very good caliber, very nice people here, good programs. So it's very exciting. It's like this annual reunion. It's like Christmas. I love it.
So before we get on to trends, your organisation, you're an independent consultant now after having a long heritage in the hospitality industry as general managers.
Yes.
How's business for you?
Very good. We're in our third year, and it's super exciting. We now have projects in Africa, in St. Lucia in the Caribbean.
Wow.
Some of our senior partners like that part very much. And obviously in Europe and in the GCC. Very big in Saudi Arabia and here in Dubai.
Now here, looking at the market across the Middle East and indeed elsewhere, times aren't exactly brilliant, are they? There's a lot of challenges out there. So as a general manager, how do they cope with changes, in demand, pricing, costing? How do they cope?
It's different today. I think in the past it was much easier, no question about it. But today, more than ever, you need to know, I always say, where you want to fish the fish. You cannot fish anymore in one pond and expect, in maybe a small pond and expect fish like this. You have to fish in the right pond to get the right market. But the good news is there are still more people coming to Dubai, to the airport, for example, than before. The airport numbers are increasing, so there's still a good volume coming. Right now it is a little bit more, is the 4-star market shifting to the 3-star pricing, or is the 5-star market shifting to the 4-star pricing? And obviously the added inventory is making it more interesting. We did a detailed study that by 2018, the increase you see now in supply will actually match again the demand, and the demand will be increasing more than the supply.
So at the moment the supply is ahead of the demand.
Yes. So and this is going to cross again. So right now you just have to work it out until 2018 when we see a reverse in that trend.
Which is not that too far away, is it? It's not 2 years or so.
No, you have to survive today to see tomorrow, they always say. But right now it's an interesting game. But there's some winners, and then, yes, there's some who are fighting a little bit harder.
So the conference is all about looking into the future. So you've given us a quick overview of up to 2018.
Yeah.
If we go another 2 years to 2020, significant year for Dubai with the Expo.
Yeah.
What's it going to be like between 2018 and through to the end of 2020, do you think?
Well, I think there's so many things which are coming on board now, the parks and other destinations. They're going to mature more and more and more. I always say, just like the sport here, the Maidan race is bigger every year. The tennis is bigger. Then you have culture coming. You have all kinds of different things adding. What is happening now is that really there's new reasons to come to Dubai, and they will mature more and more working up to 2020.
And you need these extra things in order to have people coming back again and again.
Yeah, absolutely. And you see also a little trend or a shift change, because you have these micro markets, but lifestyle is the in word. So you want to be lifestyle on the Palm, but you also want to be lifestyle in Business Bay. So the businessman and the vacation, the leisure, this is right now the trend in the 3, 4 and 5 star. It's lifestyle.
Well, Rupprecht, thanks very much indeed for your insight. Always good talking to you.
Very nice talking to you. Thanks
Thanks very much.